welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a fun science experiment. Have you ever seen raisins dance? No? Well, today we will make raisins dance. First, let's look at what we need. We have glass, some raisins and soda water. Now let's start. We are going to pour soda water into this. It's time to add some raisins into soda. The raisins sank to the bottom. Can you see? Now, but wait, something is happening here. Wow, look at that. When the bubbles pop, the raisins sink back down again. See this? Wow. I hope you all like the experiment. Doodles!